Samsung has officially announced its latest Galaxy A04 smartphone via an official listing. It comes in black, white, green, and copper colors. Samsung has yet to unveil pricing and availability details of Galaxy A04. For starters, the device measures up at 164.4 by 76.3 by 9.1 mm and weighs about 192 grams. It offers dual SIM connectivity with its Nano SIM slots and allows dual 4G VoLTE. The smartphone runs on Android 12 with one UI Core 4.1 on top. It has a 5000 mAh battery. There is no fingerprint sensor though. The Samsung Galaxy A04 specifications include 6.5-inch Infinity LCD display that offers 1560 by 720 pixels resolution. Under the hood is an octa-core processor which company hasn't specified the exact model. It has 4GB, 6GB, 8GB RAM options and comes in 32GB, 64GB, 128GB storage variants. The cell phone comes with dedicated microSD card slot supporting up to 1TB storage expansion. The Galaxy A04 feature a 5MP front camera with f2.2 aperture and face unlock support. At the backside are dual cameras with LED flash. These include 50MP main with f1.8 aperture and 2MP depth camera with f2.4 aperture. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN-AC, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual band, 2.45 GHz, Bluetooth version 5.0, GPS GLONASS and 3.5mm audio jack.